super cute art installation that I've seen all over Instagram, and so I was very excited that I was able to drive out and see it before it goes down in February. That's what it says on the website. I'm not 100% sure if that is the actual date it will be leaving, but I hope you enjoyed this video and are able to visit Entwined in San Francisco. It's super aesthetic. Here's a parking tip if you plan on visiting. So try to find this sign on the corner of Bowling Green Drive and Nancy Pelosi Drive. This is probably the closest parking you can get because they actually close off the street that Entwined is parked on. All you have to do is sort of find this blocked off road. You walk straight down that road and you'll actually see the Conservatory of Flowers first. You won't miss it, and Entwined will be on the very right side. I only have to walk about 2 minutes and it was super close, super easy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was super helpful for you. Please leave a comment, like, subscribe, help your girl out, and until next time, y'all.